This part B question is not very difficult per se, I think. So you see that it's root 3 and 1, you know this exact, you can find exact argument, so root 3 and minus 1 is here. So I guess you can get argument of W is actually minus pi over 6. Okay, then after that modulus of W will just be root 3 square plus 1 square equals to 4 root 2 is 2. So if you're asked to find W to the power of 6, we know that W is given by 2ei minus pi over 6. So W to the power of 6 which just means that 2e minus pi over 6i to the power of 6. Right? So it's to the power of 6e minus pi I. What? Is this correct? Is it? Likely this is it. Okay? So this is the exponent. 2 to the power of 6, I'm not sure. I just key calculator. What is it? 6? Oh, 64. 64 ei. Then you have got part 2, which is actually asking you to find smallest positive whole number of variable n, which is Wn over W conjugate is a real number. Okay, if this is real, it just means the argument of Wn W conjugate real number lie on the real axis would be this axis here. So it's minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on. So this is not too bad. A few pi's here and there. So it's actually just k pi. K is an integer value. This will be an argument W minus argument W conjugate. Is that okay? You got this what? Right, then after that, and argument W we found it previously, which is actually just minus pi over 6. Okay, but this argument conjugate is just add. Then we get minus pi over 6. You want n, right? So multiply with 6 throughout and divide. Multiply with 6 throughout, or minus 6 throughout, and divide by minus pi. Divide by pi times 6. This will be 1. Okay, never mind, I'll just slowly do it. So this is n pi plus pi. Okay, so this is n is equals to pi can cancel out minus 1. That's it. Is that it? So we're done. So what we do is we key calculator because they want the first smallest positive whole number, right? Minus 6x minus 1. So you just go inside here. Minus 6x minus 1. Minus 6x minus 1. Second table it. Table setting 1. Go up. Smallest positive integer is 5. Okay. This is n, this is k. Sorry, there's a k. Smallest is 5.